We're finally here to shoot with Phoebe, and here she is. This is another challenge now. This is a Blueprint 1 Elite challenge. That if you got the manual gearbox, you're gonna get a physical key like this. And the cool thing about having that physical key is that you can put it in here like so.
Yeah, there's love, there's hate, lies and games, faith.
All right, guys. Today we're doing another video. This is another challenge now. This is a Blueprint 1 Elite challenge, right? So Blueprint 1 Elite challenge was for us to do 5 tips and tricks about one of our vehicles. I'm choosing the Toyota Tacoma, the 22 Toyota Tacoma TRD 4x4 Sport. That's the vehicle I'm gonna do today for our tips and tricks. So I'm gonna get off camera and kind of just go over the vehicle and show you guys some tips and tricks and things that you should know if you're planning on getting this type of vehicle. I think the 2023 is the last model year of the 3rd gen Tacomas like these, where you get the V6 engine and where you can get the manual gearbox with the V6 and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go into this and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this one. All right, so for the first tip slash trick that I'm going to show you guys is that if you got the manual gearbox, you're going to get a physical key like this. And the cool thing about having that physical key is that you can put it in here like so and lock your tailgate, right? And then use it to open it, and then, you know, open your tailgate like so. And then you can also use that same thing, bam, to lock your glove box and unlock your glove box. So yeah, so that's one tip and trick right there. Second tip slash trick, like I'll show you guys real quick, is that in this truck you actually have a decent amount of storage, and most people may not realize it. Well, other than this and your cup holders and stuff in there, and even a little cubby hole in there, you also, and obviously the huge bed in the back here, you also have underneath your rear seats here. So you can open this up and you have your jack and all those things here, but you still have room where you can put more. And same thing here. See, more storage over there where you can like go inside there. And while we're here, so that's number 2. Number 3 is that there's little pockets right here. So you can take these and just kind of shove them up in there, so they're kind of out of the way. And I can do the same thing there, whatever. But yeah, so that way when you have your seat down, it's right there. It's kind of inconspicuous. It's out of the way. It's like a seatbelt thingy holder. All right, so that's another tip and trick right there. And I guess number 4 would be, yeah, I may need to start it up for this, but I'll show you. So number 4, start it up. Hurry up and turn down the music, because I'm sure the music's gonna fire up immediately. So let's wait. Please don't start up loud music. All right. Do we get it down? All right, yeah, so music is down. So yeah, number 4 tip and trick would be this right here. We have a rear window where we can see this window right here in the middle. Like, I'm gonna hit that button that I just showed you there, and bam, open, and then pull it up, close. Open, close. So to close it, it's like that. To open, you press down, and then close. So yeah, so that's number 4, right? Now number 5 I want to show you is, this is 4-wheel drive, right? It has four-wheel drive. Now if you've never driven a 4-wheel drive vehicle before, you have to understand this, right? And especially with manual gearbox, you want to keep this in 2-wheel drive the majority of the time. Basically anytime you're driving or driving at a higher speed, you want to keep it in 4-wheel drive. Now if you're gonna drive, I think under 30 miles per hour, or under, I think it may be under 50 miles an hour, I'm not 100% sure, and let's say it's raining or snowing and the weather's really bad and you have like a little bit of slipping, you know, or you may hydroplane, then you could put it in 4 high, right? You could put it in 4 high if you're going at a higher speed and you just want to get extra traction and stuff. But don't like leave it in 4 high and think it's all-wheel drive, because that can mess up your transmission. It can mess up a lot of things. So you want to keep it in 2-wheel drive primarily, and then you definitely don't want to put it in 4 low, going at a fast speed at all, because you know you could, I think, mess up your whole transfer case and stuff like that. So what you want to do is, if you're like going off-roading or something, or you're doing a rock climb or something, that's when you would put it in the 4 low. It's like if you're doing something like that. So 4 high and 4 low is basically just to kind of get you out of tough situations that the 2-wheel drive couldn't potentially get you out of, right? So that's that. Now I'm gonna do a bonus tips and trick, and I'll show you that real quick. Like, so with the Tacoma TRD 4x4 Sport, we have an AC outlet in the back. We can press it like that and it will fire up. See, it's on there, and I'll show you the actual outlet. So the outlet, it is right here. Bam. So you can plug in pretty much whatever you need. If you're doing like, you know, tailgating and stuff like that, you have an actual power source that's powered up from the engine. I guess it's sort of like an inverter. And another thing too, like I was talking about all the storage, obviously you have storage in the back here, but then we also have a little cubby hole right here where I keep my tie downs and stuff. So yeah, that's another cool thing. So that's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Race car friends out. Guys, we're finally here to shoot with Phoebe, and here she is. Yo! What's up?